today we are making chocolate chip cookies with these sea salt caramel Hershey's chocolate chip cookies. And that's the recipe right there. You can see it. Butter.
So butter we have.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, okay.
Vanilla extract.
Let's see.
2 eggs.
Eggs?
2 eggs. So 2 eggs. Let's get 2 eggs out of here.
One, just
What
right
do I-
here.
we
Flour.
will need flour.
Got it, right here, flour.
Flour.
Okay.
So the next step will be heat your oven to 350. We already did that. And then line it up with parchment paper. And then put it down like carefully. And then you get parchment paper. How much do we need?
Okay.
I don't know how to do that, so I need a little bit of help. This is looking weird. I'm just gonna keep it like that. We're gonna do double the butter, so we're doing 4 butters. You can do 2, 1. If you wanna do like extra done, you can do 1. We're doing 4 because we wanna make a lot. Last time we made cookies, I think my mom ate them all. So we're gonna make a double batch. And make sure to soften your butter for a long time. We've been softening these for like 2 days.
All day, yep.
All day. Okay, so we put all the butter in, as you see, and now we're gonna put 1 cup
Sugar.
white sugar and then brown sugar, and we're gonna be doing that. So let's go. Wow, that's a lot of brown sugar. Should I do 1 for extra? 1 for extra, guys? Maybe. Maybe? No. Now we're gonna mix it until it's well blended. So smash it and then rotate the bowl around because you want it to get all everywhere because you don't want a little bit of sugary cookies. Make sure to make really good. So next up, we're gonna add the eggs and then 3 cups of flour. So let's do that. Then make sure to pour it high. Get it all there. Okay, then 3 cups of flour. Is this 1 cup? Yes. Almost dropped it in. You don't wanna drop your cup in. I'm gonna wash my hands first because I'm dusty. It's basically our first time, but give it a try. So the next step is to add the salt and the baking soda. Do a half a teaspoon. My bad. So 2. Well, that's
Yep, and now the baking soda.
And now we're gonna put it in, and then you mix. We're making a video of this because we thought we're making cookies. It's the coronavirus. We need to make cookies and have a fun YouTube channel to keep our pumping things up. We need to get people happy and make people cheer up. Next up, we're gonna do a half a cup of small chocolate chips, and then we're gonna use 2 cups of these Hershey's caramel salt and chocolate chips. We literally added. Okay, we have a little bit more, but but we added all of the Hershey's chocolate caramel chips. And now we bring the bowl over and bring it all the way for the parchment paper. And now it's time for the parchment paper. Yeah. Oopsies.
Okay.
And then now we can put it on.
All right.
Is that too big? Or is it just right? And now we can put them in the oven for 10 minutes. Let's do it. We put them in 9 minutes because we open it up when it's done with 9 minutes to see if they're ready. If they're not, we give them 1 more minute and they're ready. The timer has been gone. Now we're gonna get them. Smells good. Now I'm ready to eat this. I'm gonna put it in a pot and then dip it in my cookie. Delicioso! Here we got our little cookies and milk. And now the whole thing of this whole thing is the coronavirus sucks. Like, we're the best and the coronavirus sucks. That's why we're doing this video. And oh my god, these cookies are delicious. So good. I mean, delicious. And that's how you make chocolate chip cookies. We'll see you guys later. Bye. But make sure to make a video.